In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect Stripe to Xero quickly and efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything so perfectly integrated that you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Now let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Xero accounting software. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your login credentials like your email and password. Click on that login button and soon you'll find yourself on your Xero dashboard. If it's been a while since you've accessed your Xero account and you've run into any login issues, be sure to double check your credentials or reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard where your company name is prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on your company name to access the next set of options. You'll find yourself in an area familiar if you're accustomed to navigating Xero, but stick with me as we're about to take a path that leads straight to your payment services. Next, look for the settings option in the menu. Once you've clicked on settings, you'll want to navigate to payment services. This is the gateway to connecting your different payment options, and we're about to add something valuable. When you open the Payment Services section, you'll see a button labelled Add Other. Click on that to begin the process of adding Stripe as a payment option. It's here that we start making Xero even more powerful in handling your financial actions. Now find and click on Stripe. This begins the process of integrating Stripe into your Xero account. You're almost done, so don't lose focus. After selecting Stripe, fill in all the required details that appear. These will typically be your Stripe account credentials. Ensure you have access to your Stripe account details, as this will make the process smoother and faster without the need for guesswork or resets. Once your details are good to go, you'll see an option to connect to Stripe. Click on that, and this will initiate the connection process. Xero will guide you through the necessary prompts, ensuring that your Stripe account is linked securely and properly to your Xero account. Finally, follow the final prompt, which will complete the integration. These prompts are straightforward and designed to assist you, so you should have no trouble finalizing this connection. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you've successfully linked Stripe to Xero. Congratulations! You can now enjoy the streamlined financial operations that come from having these powerful tools working together. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to check Xero's help resources or reach out to their support team. Thank you for watching and enjoy the seamless payment processing experience with your newly connected Stripe account in Xero.